going on, guys? Back at the range again, and I got a little fever for some Smith and Wesson 625 Jerry Miculek Edition point fixer. Feast your eyes on that bad boy. And was shooting 45 ACP out of this fucker on some moon clips. So let's give it a go. See what we got. That was all of them, I think. Oh, I missed one. Oh well.
That's sweet, bro.
It's nice and easy. All come out on the same clip. Let's put another one in. I got a. It's early. Forgive me, guys. I'm a little
gun shy.
Yeah, gun shy today. Little single action with this bad boy. That's it.
You shoot way better than Honda fixer, that's for sure.
Oh, don't say that. You're gonna make him feel bad.
I don't really care.
You know, it's feeling a little cold out today. I'm thinking about some soup.